कल मैं एक किताब पढ़ रहा था, लेस फोफिरस, जिसका राइटर है नोस्ट्राडामस, एक फ्रेंच एस्ट्रोलॉजर, द फॉर्चून टेलर। उसने अपनी किताब में बताया कि सन 2021 के मार्च महीने में धरती पर एक बहुत बड़ा हलचल होने वाला है, उथल पुथल होने वाला है। एक धूमकेतु है जो धरती के नज़दीक आ रहा है और उसके साथ धरती का एक कॉलिशन होने वाला है, जिसमें हिरोशिमा नागासाकी में जो परमाणु विस्फोट हुआ था उससे 15 गुण ज़्यादा तबाही होने का संभावना है। नोस्ट्राडामस ने अपने खुद के मत के बारे में एक दिन पहले बताया था कि मैं कल मरने वाला हूँ, और ठीक उसी वक्त उसी दिन उसका देहांत हो गया था। नोस्ट्राडामस जो बताया, अगर वो सच हुए तो आने वाला मार्च में ही धरती पर तबाही मचने वाला है। खैर, वो बात अलग, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। मरने से पहले मरना नहीं, मौत अगर आए तो देखा जाएगा। टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना टेल यू समथिंग रिगार्डिंग मयूरासन, peacock pose, by performing which one can get rid of all the problem in their abdomen area. Like if you have the liver disease, if you have kidney disease, if you have pancreatitis disease, if you have intestine disease, if you have lack of digestion power, then by performing Mayurasana, one can get rid of all these things. All the beautiful souls, welcome to my channel, Wellness Yoga. वेलनेस योगा चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। मयूरासन कैसे करते हैं और मयूरासन करने का फ़ायदा क्या होता है, चलिए आज देखते हैं। हाउ टू डू मयूरासन एंड व्हाट ऑल दैट थिंग्स यू नीड टू टेक केयर इन योर माइंड, लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट। मयूरासन और पीकॉक पोज इज ए हैंड बैलेंसिंग योगा पोस्चर वेयर द बॉडी हेल्ड हॉरिजॉन्टल over the hand by the support of elbows, which pressing the abdominal area. It is one of the oldest non-seated asana, first described in the 10th century, and according to Vasishtha Samhita, performing Mayurasana can destroy all the sins if you have any. In this asana, the elbow pressure on the abdominal organs made blood circulation properly in all the abdominal organs like liver, kidneys, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, etc. And thus, this pose improves digestion and cures stomach problems. This pose also prevents toxin from accumulating and remove toxin as well if you have any inside your body. The anti-gravity aspect of peacock pose may appeal to people who stand on their feet for prolonged period. Anti-gravity means your head is under your heart. Your heart is situated above your head. Activity of your heart become easier. They can pump oxygenated blood throughout your head more efficiently. I do always prefer to do Mayurasana like this, where I can get the both benefits. I am toning my abdominal organs as well as I am giving too much of oxygenated blood to my head. You must make sure to keep your stomach empty before you practice this asana. Best time is in the morning, or you can do it after your meal by giving a gap of 4 to 6 hours. If it is possible for you, before or after doing Mayurasana, must practice some pranayama, that is the Anulam Vilom, to create a balance between Ida and Pingla Nadi and Sushumna Nadi. So how to do? First, make yourself completely comfortable on your yoga mat. Sit on your heels by making sure your knees are wide apart. Place your hands on the floor or mat and let your fingers point towards your body. Gently bend your elbows and press them towards your abdominal area. Make sure to place your elbows just beside your navel. Make your belly firm. Drop your head on the mat. Try to lift your leg alternatively. First left one, then right one, or first right one, then left one. Find the balance. Your shoulder blades must be firm and pushed into your back. Raise your head and look forward. Shift your body weight forward and lift your both legs off the mat. Stay parallel to the mat or in advanced stage, make your body just 45 to 60 degree angle with the floor. Hold this posture as long as you are comfortable with. If you are a beginner, then 5 to 10 seconds is enough for you. If you are intermediate practitioner, then 15 to 20 seconds is enough for you. If you are doing for the advanced level, then up to 1 minute you can hold. Before heading to practice Mayurasana, you must need to practice Dandasana or plank pose, as peacock pose is a hand balancing asana and one need lot of strength with their wrist. So do some wrist exercise first, followed by Dandasana, then go for Mayurasana. The benefits of Mayurasana, actually this asana can make your abdomen area strong like a concrete, strong like iron. Whatever you will eat, that will be digested easily. If you have diabetes, then you must have to practice Mayurasana. So that's all about today. And thank you so much for giving your valuable time. My name is Sammy, Yogi Sammy, signing off for the day. Take care. Bye bye. Lord Shiva bless you all. See you in next video. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.